Hello guys, what I'm gonna show you today is how you can use neutral items in Dota 2. Neutral items are a unique class of items that can only be obtained by killing neutral creeps, okay? They're gonna provide a variety of powerful and unique effects. Now, neutral creeps are only gonna start to pop up at 7 minutes into the game. Neutral creeps have a chance to drop a neutral item of these, tokens when they're killed. Okay. Now you have different item tiers. You have tier 1 at 7 minutes into the game, tier 2 at 17 minutes, tier 3 at 27 minutes, tier 4 at 37 minutes, and tier 5 at 60 minutes. Okay. And these are going to be different and they're going to be better the higher the tier. Now also when one of these tokens is drops, you can just right click on it and it's going to present you with a choice of 5 different neutral items of that tier. Just click on the one that you want to claim. Okay. Each hero is going to have basically a particular neutral item slot, and you can only have one active at a time. All right. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.